In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the YouTube error 153 video play configuration error. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge or any browser you are using. Once it's open, click on three dots given at the top right. Then select the option Settings. On the left hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Then go to Third-Party Cookies and select See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar, type YouTube and clear all the YouTube's cache files. If you encounter this error on another website, make sure to clear that site's cache files as well. This step removes any corrupted data that may be causing the error. Next, go back to the main settings menu and click on Extensions. Temporarily turn off all browser extensions as one of them might be interfering with YouTube's video player. After that, open YouTube again and check if the error is fixed. If the YouTube error 153 problem still persists, try using a different browser as an alternative solution. Sometimes the issue is specific to one browser's configuration. And that's it. You have now learned how to fix the YouTube error 153 video player configuration error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.